Alright, here's our new shop that we're working on. Got 1 month to go to get it moved into here. So we got the front of it painted, cleaned up a bunch of mess. The restaurants are really going to love me here. Too bad. I was here way before they were. So we got the old truck working away. So anyway, this is the shop. Not very big. So you can see how it's pretty small compared to what we had before. So all this crap in here I got to move out. Keep some of it, most of it's got to go. So this is the shop I grew up in. So Dad built this building in 64, 65. So anyway, I got to clear out a lot of this, make room for what I'm going to put in here. So luckily a lot of the equipment I had was already in here once. So the mill used to be here, but not that mill, and the lathe used to be right there, so it'll go right back in its spot. So we got our big bead blaster here, which I've seen in previous videos, long old ones. There's the old honing machine. Got the old small bandsaw, the small press. Lots of my old parts from my old 30s and 40s bikes. That's what I built my bikes out of back in the day. I love my hoist. Yeah, I like that. I miss that. Then we got the motor for my Dodge out front, my Super B. I've worked on this thing in 20 years almost. Got a bunch of Dodge motors floating all through here. Old Hemi crap. Of course I got Harley parts everywhere. Another motor on my Challenger. So, anyway, here's the old drill press. It's old stuff. Everything's made out of metal. We don't need aluminum either. Made out of real metal. So anyway, so a lot of this stuff I'll keep here, and like this I'll keep. But all this here's got to go. Got to move all this crap out of here. I already brought a bunch of tile in from work, the old shop. There's the old air compressor. So anyway, this that's all set up. I got to clear all this crap out of here. We're down to 30 days to get moved. I haven't even really started in here yet, so I got about 2 months of work to do in 30 days. So it's going to get interesting. I got to be out of the shop by the end of the month, which would be end of July 2021. If I'm not out, then we'll have to probably scrap everything, kick me out, lock the door behind me, not let me in. Who knows? All I know is I got to be out in 30 days. So it's going to be fun. So far, pretty much by myself. A little work here and there from help, but not too much. So this is the, like I said, this is the old place. There's my private stash, all my favorite stuff. This is all, these are all my parts. You can get my name on them, see? Lots of good old parts. So of course I got racing crap laying everywhere. Who can identify racing parts? What are those? Can anybody identify those? How about that one? There's another one. There's crap everywhere jammed through here. Yeah, stacks of flywheels. Lots of good parts. There's the bathroom. I don't know, do we need to clear this out? Yeah, I don't know. Who needs to go to the bathroom? So this is how you get upstairs. One way. You get to jump up here. All those parts you're looking at there, got to be moved. All the parts down here, got to be moved. So today's the 4th of July weekend. Moving day for me. I'm going to move all this crap out of here. How much I'll get done? Probably not as much as I want to get done. There's some old racing stuff there. Homemade heads I was working on, cylinders. More KR stuff. Lots of junk. Of course, we have a junk motor laying on the floor. That's what a real Harley motor looks like. 46 KR. I mean, it's WR. Excuse me, bad word. Yeah, more of my favorite stuff. Alright, we're not working down here, so I'm going to kill the light. At least not right now. I'll go upstairs and do some work. I get upstairs to move, not just downstairs. So, this is how you get up here. Like this. Alright, that's a good view. So this is upstairs. This will be the parts department. So right now it is 70 something degrees. There's the outside door that don't work. Got to put a new door up. The hinges are all broken on that. Nice, friendly, handicap-friendly old Harley rider stepway. There's Mom's old office, full of crap, as usual. Okay, all of this stuff here has got to move. Everything. All this junk I got to clear out of here. Except maybe this. I'll keep this. The Dressograph. That's how you make tags. Old way of doing stuff. There's a tag stamper right there. As a kid, I used to do packaging. There's a lot of Harley parts. So this stuff used to be all hand stamped labels. Can't see them from here, but all those labels on these packages. Let me find one down there. All these labels right there in these packages, I did all those. That's what I did as a kid. That's all the NOS Harley parts buried back in there. Everything is. New stuff. Need some brand new military gas tanks for 45. There you go. Not for sale. Not getting them. My stash, not your stash. But I gotta move all this crap. Brand new fenders, transmissions. You know, I gotta move all this stuff. So I actually have a stairway up here. This is where everything has to go to. Up here. And there. So it takes me about 2.5 to 3 days to build each row of shelves. There's 8 rows to a shelf. Or 8 shelves to a row, I guess. However you want to say it. So I was up here all I worked until 6 a.m. this morning working all this, building that row right there. So all the parts that are downstairs have to come up to here, and we have limited space. But I got lots of shelves now because I just got done building all those. So all that stuff that's downstairs got to go up on these shelves. Of course, it's nice and warm up here. So this is shelves I built a couple weeks ago. So this is extra shelving. There's the neighborhood. Sunny old San Diego. There's the school I went to in elementary. Long commute. Alright, so there you go. This is all of the stuff. I've already moved a bunch of stuff from work here. This is all the parts that came off the shelves at work. So they go all the way down that row and then they switch over to the other row. These are my parts I got stashed outside. So anyway, I gotta pack all this stuff and move it. So you see how things just get stacked up to the ceiling here. So all this stuff over here I brought in a few days ago. I hauled all this over here, put up all on the shelves. So if you want some genuine Harley parts, there you go. That's how you get them. So all these shelves right here are going to turn into a shelf unit right where I'm standing. So let's start right where that one on the floor is. These are 2 wide, 2 foot deep. So I'm going to put another row in here. And that'll allow me to get some stuff done. Already getting hot up here. There's the time. I'll work until probably at least 4 a.m. It's 4 p.m. right now, so got a lot of work to do. Alright, so there you go. That's your tour of what it looks like up here. Tatro's new junkyard. Yeah, call home. So anyway, I need lots of help getting moved. Not much happening, but anyway, we got 30 days to get out of here. Moving the shop downstairs. Alright, there you go. There's your update for this month. Alright, we're up here working away. Get the shelves cleared out. It's 9 o'clock, so fireworks are going outside right now. Getting a lot of dent here, clearing the floor. Getting a lot of shelves cleared, big holes. So, got a walkway now. So, getting this area cleared out a bunch of shelving and wood and filled up with Harley parts. My house filled in. So, yeah, we got some fireworks going on out here. There they are, over there. Yeah. There's San Diego fireworks for you. Big Bang Boom, I think they called it. All the Mexicans and fire their own fireworks off over there, but they wait until midnight. There's some over there. Anyway, that's your excitement for today. At least it's starting to cool off. I'm sweating like a pig for a while now. So, boom, boom, boom. The other one's way over there, I guess. Yeah, I can't even see over there. Yeah. Big one's over there. We're surrounded by fireworks here. Yeah. That's the bay over there. Of course, we got the airplanes coming in too. There you go. Aircraft. We get everything going on in this neighborhood. Oh well. Yeah, the shop's down about in that area down there. The old shop. Regular shop down there firing fireworks off right now. That's easy. We're usually surrounded by fireworks down there. So anyway, they're banging them off. And they're shooting them off over in the regular neighborhood now. The private show. Yeah, you can see over there. Banging them off down there. You just can't see them over there. You see the flashes. Oh well, enough excitement. I got work to do. So anyway, we're slowly getting things moved around here. It's hot. It's a little after 9 right now. A few more hours of work here. I was sweating pretty bad earlier, but I've cooled off now. Some of the stuff's heavy, like that box. I don't know what's in it, but it's heavy. For sure it's got an exhaust system in there and some triple trees. And I don't know what else is in that box, but it's heavy. That's why it's in a big wood crate. A little military crate. Oh well, we have my linkards. Anyway, those shelves are getting filled up. So it takes about 2 of these to equalize one shelf unit down here. But we have lots of shelf units, so down here. So I can empty out that one, spark plug one. I'm still working on the back one. All this is linkered stuff here. It's got to go. The other big pile of NOS stuff I've been working on. Then those shelves are all full of the inventory that we sell on eBay and other stuff that isn't listed anymore because they don't like me. Someone went to high school in 41. There you go, there's your picture. Anyway, I got work on this mountain back here. I'm slowly getting there. Yeah. Brand new Springer forks. Don't tell anybody I have those. They're gonna want one. They ain't getting them. Oh well, there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff to move. I don't know if I'm gonna move this side over here. I don't have enough space for all that, I don't think. But we'll see. There's a lot of stuff over there. I'm gonna put some shelf units lengthwise right here for the retail. I gotta clear this shelf out, obviously. This is the office for now, but I don't know what we're gonna do in here. But maybe we'll do office stuff. I found some brand new old vents off cars, 40s and 50s heater vents, I guess. Heater vent, air vents, brand new ones. You find all kinds of crap when you're digging through stuff. That's Dad's junk. So anyway, this is going to be the retail area, but it's going to be a nice stairway to come up. I go up and down a lot. But anyway, I got to clear this counter off. A couple cases of catalogs for knuckleheads, brand new stuff. Those were, oh, what are they? 40 to 47 knucklehead service manuals. Brand new ones. Those were made in 1973 or 4, I think. Yeah. Got a couple of them. They're nice books, but yeah. Taiwan Teddy reproduced a bunch of them cheap. Got good ones. Alright, I gotta clear all this junk out, I guess, but it looks like there's a toy department back there. Yeah. It's a genuine Harley Davidson semi-truck there, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, Dad's got a lot of junk collected here. Clear all this stuff out of here. Those are mine there, those are primary covers. Brand new primary covers. Yep. WR. Brand new one. People would drool over that if they knew what a WR was. Alright, let me get back at it. Fun, fun, fun.